very much everybody for making it here today. The weather is fantastic because this time last week there was 9 inches of water on the ground where we're sitting.
I did go into detail about how to guide somebody who's deafblind, because obviously in a farm environment there's obstacles to get over, and there's nothing wrong with that.
One of the things that I'm particularly keen on is less talk, more action. I think it's very important when you get people on farm, you find them something to do. It's not about us, it's about talk.
This is the boy I was mentioning in the school who'd never really said anything in one go before. But when he saw me drawing the spaghetti, he was encouraged to finish it all off, the sentence, you know.
I was under a hospital operation. I was really nauseous, really thirsty, really hungry, but they wouldn't let me have any proper food. That's too small.
No,
story.
no story too small.